Arutani aya maugite ni monete mweke wa guthie kumatha uboco bururi-ini wa Amerika nigetha kugacirithia miturire yao.
Most mishara no itume tuthie tondu mbeca iria turona maybe ri na hai kuria kwina mathina maingi guku Kenya ri gutire mundu ungienda kwaga guthie kuona mbeca nyingi nigetha hote ku meet maundu maria twina mu guku Kenya tondu kwina mathina maingi, in fact kwina mathina maingi gukira mbeca iria mundu arona.
Extend our skills to other schools in America. I'm very happy to have been one of them, to be graced with that opportunity to go to America.
Inde maugite kwina muhinga uria umagomeire, muhinga wa kugata visa wabici-ini cia ubaruthi wa Amerika.
Okay, no tuhoe thirikari ya Kenya is speed up visas for aria marathie tondu guthie kwao ni gukurehe some source of revenue to the country, of which ituko tukinyirira bururi economy nime ko makinta economy ya bururi na njira nene muno.
Ni makwena mathina maingi tondu president ni aratwashuire ati kwena mawira na kuria no riu kwena challenges ni undu wa passport na visa.
Murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya Pesua iria imathite mieke 70 ya arutani a Kenya aria marathie kumatha uboco bururi-ini wa Amerika niwe Peter Ruhiri akiuga ni maranyitanira na thirikari gutuithania muhinga uyu.
Riu ni ndirona maundu ta mauithi makiagagira aria maguka thutha matigakona mathina maingi ta aya mari guku this time. Mabururi maria mangi ma Zimbabwe aria mari South Africa acio na matina mathina makohe visa ni marakorwo maki expedite kana kuhanyukia visa na ihenya. No aria mari guku gwitu Kenya ni turakona challenge iyo tondu embassy ni iratuika a little difficult, ndirahota gutu he expedited uria tungikorwo tukienda.
Barothi Isaia Kabira kuma ministry ya maundu manja wa bururi akiranira ati thirikari ni kunyitanira na ubaruthi wa Amerika kuhika mutaratara wa kugata visa.
And I've really heard your cry about the slowdown in your visa has been accepted. We had especially a very bad challenge last year, where we had very many unscrupulous Kenyans giving false documents to the US Embassy. And in the process, the US has begun slowing down. But we are engaging them, we are talking to them, and we've agreed with my colleague Irene that there are more steps that we can take to see how can we have your visas expedited.
Arutani aya mena wagagu wa kurwo ni mweke uyu angikorwo visa ciao citigukorwo ciumite gwikinyeria muthia-ini wa mweri uyu. Ino ni ceceni ya Inoro TV Ruiru na ni njitagwo Moses Ngige.